Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'm making a bacon ranch cheese ball. Every good party needs a cheese ball or a log. To get started, we'll prep our ingredients. We need to cook 6 slices of bacon. This is easiest to do in the oven. Chop up half a cup of pecans. This will be for the outside coating. Chop up a 1/4 cup of green onions and grate 1½ cups of cheddar cheese or any cheese you like, and reserve 2 tablespoons for the coating. Once the bacon is done, let it cool on a plate lined with paper towel so it's less greasy. When it's cool, crumble it with your hands or you can use a knife. Now we're ready to mix. Start with 2 blocks of cream cheese at room temperature. I'll be using my stand mixer to make things faster, but you can easily do this by hand as long as the cream cheese isn't cold. To the cream cheese, add a 1/4 cup of sour cream, half of the bacon, half of the green onion, 1 package of ranch seasoning mix, and the grated cheese. Mix on high until everything is combined. Form it into a rough ball and put it on a couple pieces of plastic wrap and wrap it up to better form into a ball, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Refrigerate it for around an hour until it's more firm. For the coating, mix the chopped pecans, the other half of the bacon and green onion, 1 tablespoon of parsley, but it's optional, and the couple tablespoons of cheese you reserved. Toss it up until everything is mixed evenly. Unwrap the cheese ball and put it into the mixture, pressing to adhere until evenly coated. And that's it! You got yourself a delicious cheese ball fit for any party. A great idea would be to halve the recipe to make a smaller one and add it to your cheese boards. Serve with crackers or veggies. Thanks for watching! Bye!